Hi, welcome to the module 11 modules and packages in Python. In this module we discuss the how to create own modules and own packages in Python. In this video we discuss the how to create a own modules in Python. Now what is the module? Every Python program is called as a module. Now in the previous sections we discussed the collections module. Here the collections is the module. This is the Python module. In that modules we discussed the counter function, default dict function, ordered dict function, named tuple function and dequeue function. Here that means every Python program is called as a module. Here this is the module means here this is the collections.py file. In Python modules are two types. First one is standard modules and second one is user defined modules. What is the standard modules means? The modules already defined in the Python library. The collections module is already defined in the Python library. The second one is user defined module. The modules are defined by user and stored in a local disk. Here the collections.py is the standard module. In that modules contains, that is in collections.py file contains functions are counter, default dict and ordered dict, named tuple and dequeue. Here these are the functions. In Python you can use the def keyword create a functions in Python. Here the collections.py is a one Python file that is called as a module. In that module here the some functions in the collections.py. Now this is the standard module. Now we create a our own module. For example, arithmetic.py. In that arithmetic.py module contains functions are add, subtraction, multiplication, division and integer division and mod and power calculation. These are the some functions used in the arithmetic module. Now how to create a module? Same as creation of a Python file. For convenient and better understand, open the IDLE. Here first standard module, that is the collections. First import the collections and check dir of collections. In that module contains the different functions. For example, counter, ordered dict, named tuple, default dict and dequeue. And how to import the functions in the module? You can use the from collections import function name. That means from collections module import the counter function, and that means the collections is the one Python file. The Python files contains the one function is counter. Whenever you can import the counter function, it calls the collections.py file. In that the counter function is executed. Now we create a one module arithmetic that contains the different functions same as counter, default, dict, order, dict, name tuple and dequeue. Now go to the file menu, click on new file. Now here first to save your file, save as, you must save your module in your environment path. That means your ideally automatically gives when you can save your Python file in the working storage and environment variables where your Python path is set. That means this is the Python path for environment variables. Here you can give any name, for example arithmetic.py. Here this is the our module name, the extension is .py. Click on save. Here the file name is arithmetic.py. The file path is, for example, in Python 39 arithmetic.py. This path is the your Python environment path. Now here you can create some functions. Here this is same as the collections.py. In that contains the different functions. Here our module is arithmetic.py. In that module we create some functions. For example, add. It takes the parameters like x comma y. You can also pass the variable length arguments. You can use the star here. Here simply return x plus y and define another function subtraction x comma y and return x minus y and multiplication x comma y, return x into y and division. This is the floating division in Python. Here integer division. Here you can use any name as a function. Here this is the integer division and this is the power calculation. You can use the double star. Here you can use the mod. Here x mod y. Here this is the arithmetic.py module contains the different functions same as collections.py contains the different functions. Now save. Now this is the one module in your Python library. This is not a standard library. This is the user defined library or user defined module. Now you have a one module and open the IDLE again. Here import arithmetic. Here the arithmetic is the one module same as the collections. Now you can check dir of arithmetic and hit enter. In that directory contains the arithmetic module methods or functions add, division. Here open that add, division, integer division, mod, multiplication and power subtraction. These methods are stored in the arithmetic directory. That means the module contains these functions. Now how to call it? You can use from arithmetic import, for example add. This is the import add function in arithmetic Python file. That means import the add function in the arithmetic.py Python file. Now you can directly call add of, for example, here it shows the x comma y. That means in that add contains the our variables are x comma y. Here you can pass, for example, 10 comma 20 and hit enter. Here it returns the 30 because in add function 2 parameters are required. The 10 will be stored into the x and 20 will be stored into the y, and the add function returns the x plus y. Here it returns the x plus y is a 30. Now go to the file, write a Python program. From arithmetic import add function. Now you enter a, for example, int of, you can take the input in dynamic way, enter a number. Here and int input of, enter a number. Here these are the two numbers. In add function contains the two parameters. Add of, here pass the a comma b. That means x is replaced by a and y is replaced by b. Here directly print the your function return value. Here now you can go to the run module, or directly you can press the F5. OK. Here you can save file name as a add.py and click on save. Your add.py file is stored in the where your arithmetic.py file is stored, and click on save. Here enter a one number, for example 100, enter another number 200. Here it returns the 300. This is the module creation in Python. You can create your own modules based on your requirement and your project requirements. In the next video, we discuss the how to create a packages and what is the difference between module and packages in Python. Thank you for taking the time. Good luck.